In front of me it's XIAOMI Mi 11 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, you need to open your Play Store. Now click on More icon and select My Apps and Games. And here under Updates you will be able to see all apps that can be updated, and you can either update one particular application by tapping on Update right next to its icon, and then it will be updated. At first, the latest version will be downloaded and then installed. But you can also stop it right now and update all at once. So just click on Update All, and then all apps that you have will be updated. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can update applications in your XIAOMI. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.